In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads in HubSpot like a pro. This will streamline your marketing efforts by enabling you to capture and analyze your advertising data more efficiently. Whether you're just starting with HubSpot or aiming to optimize your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you are logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in and on the home page, your first task is to navigate over to the User Guide section. This is where all the essential tools and resources are available. Accessing the user guide will ensure you have support at your fingertips as you proceed. Next, head over to the Marketplace. Now, the Marketplace in HubSpot is your gateway to numerous apps and integrations that can enhance your productivity. Clicking into it will bring up a whole suite of options that you can utilize to make your HubSpot experience more robust. Inside the Marketplace, you will find various categories. Look for the Apps option and give it a click. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of applications that can be integrated with your HubSpot account. Now it's time to add Facebook to your HubSpot. In the search bar provided, simply type the word Facebook. This search will filter through the various apps and present you with anything related to Facebook's suite of tools. Among the search results, you should see an option called Pixie, Facebook Pixel. This app is fundamental for tracking user interactions on your website and integrating that data into HubSpot for more comprehensive analysis and reporting. Click on it and you will be taken to its details page. Once you're on the Pixie Facebook Pixel page, look for the button labeled Install App. This is your command center for initiating the installation process. Click on it and HubSpot will guide you through any permissions or settings you need to adjust. By doing this, you're ensuring that Facebook's ad data will seamlessly transfer into HubSpot, giving you a more cohesive view of your marketing efforts. Performing these steps will significantly elevate your marketing strategy thanks to the deeper insights afforded by the integration. Remember, managing ads efficiently can be a game changer, and these integrations are designed to enhance your workflow and data accuracy. So, make sure that all your settings and permissions are correctly aligned as per your needs. Once everything is set up, you'll be uniquely positioned to harness the full potential of Facebook advertising within the HubSpot environment, paving the way for smarter data-driven decisions. Keep optimizing and exploring new integrations within the marketplace to further refine your marketing efforts. Happy integrating,